Welcome back, y'all. Hey, the day has come. I felt it appropriate to wear the red and white Daddy Dutch barbecue shirt today. For the simple fact is, my buddy Korey, his Huskers, finally beat my Hawkeyes. We have a standing bet using Spam. You saw it in the opening shot. We're going to be using some almond flour, egg wash, and pork rinds for our breading for the Spam fingers, Spam fries, call them what you want. Please go out and check my buddy Korey's channel out. It is Cooking with Korey. He's a good guy, even though he's a Huskers fan. Okay, don't hold that against him. So, coming up, quick video, easy way how to make Spam fries. Let's do it. All right, y'all, what we have here is your typical breading station. Now you can see we sliced up everything into strips. Our breading, everything has Uncle Steve's spicier added to it. We are using the side burner on the Monument grill, and here you can see we're just frying them up. Another little picture here for you. And coming up, we have the final product. We put them on a towel to drain, hit them with a little extra, the spicy R, and here we have some sweet hot mustard. Give it a try. All right, I told you a quick video. I wasn't gonna lie to you guys. So please give these a try. If you're a Spam lover, give these a try. The almond flour, the pork rinds is because we're trying to drop a few LBs, if you know what I mean. Cooking with Korey, Korey. I don't remember how to spell it. Go give him, check him out, watch a video. He really is a great guy. So next year, Korey, I can't wait to see what you're gonna make again. Congrats on your new head coach, by the way. That might make me have to brush up on some more Spam recipes. I don't know. We'll see what next year brings. Thanks y'all for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed this fun, quick little video, and we'll see you next time, all right? Take care, gang.